name of our rōpū is Te Kapa ko Ngāti Tahu Ngāti Whaoa. Simply a representation of who we are. Everyone drives from Rotorua to Taupo, but there's a stop in the middle there, and that's us. So this is the first time in the history of our iwi that we're taking a rōpū to the Te Arawa regionals or any regionals. Spend some time with each other, relook at our kaupapa rather than the haka siding. We started it to bring people home. 2.5 speakers on our pai. We've got 1.5 kai karanga, and that's for all 4 of our marae. And one of our many goals was to revive our pai. So from here, obviously, we'll just make our way down, cruise along, no rush to get there. So we woke up this morning and we've got no water. Kei te pai, there's beautiful waikato out there, so we've got plenty of water. But hey, modern day Māori, we need a water and a power to cook our kai. So we've packed up, we've gone from one marae. The next marae will open their doors up to us, which we're very lucky to have.
Ko te wairua ki konei kia tau, ko te whakataua ki tautoko, he waka i ki noa tātou. E ara tātou whakaiti a tātou, ko te mea nui ki te whakapiki.
E miharo ki ahau, ki te prakatihi ki te taho o tō mātou iwi nei. Ko tēnei taku wā tuatahi ki te tūkiringi te ātāmira.
Our story of our tupuna tahu matua arrived here before the Great Migration. Also at the same time, in saying that, in our connection to Whaoa is our connection to Te Arawa, with the story of tahu matua arriving here from Hawaii on Manunui-Arangi. We're reviving those stories.
Kare au i te mohi o te kato o te hitori mai konei. Engari, kei roto i ngā waiata, me ngā mea katoa te hitori o tō mātou iwi nei.
Coming back home, acknowledging those that have been here whilst we've been away. A lot of us been away. As an iwi, our people sadly have lost our stories. The focus has become more on thinking that we're just farmers. And so kapahaka is a new kaupapa to us.
Ahakoa toru noiho, na ope kore te mohio ki te reo Māori. Koenei te take haere mai ki te whakapiki te reo Māori no konei. Waihoki ma te reo e ora, ka tae te tikanga ki te ora.
We could say 95% of us have never taken stage. And in that 95%, you then break it down. If we're talking statistics, you go into 80% that have only done kapahaka in primary school. And now they're at an age where their hunger's there, and kapahaka is the vehicle.
Ai, hei, tata rite, i ara ki rite katoa, whakatika i ngā hapa iti, pera ki ngā waiwai, lai me u tonu.
We've got all the geothermal activity here, and for those who don't know, we power a lot of New Zealand. When you flick your lights on, nei te mahi o Ngāti Tahu Ngāti Whaoa. But it's switching our light on to say, okay, we're powering everyone with electricity, but we can power ourselves by being in it. Would we like to go to nationals? I think that it would be an added bonus to our kaupapa. We know those ones that will turn up if matatini's on the cards. If that adds value to our kaupapa, matatini, bringing more people home because they want to, that's their why, then yeah.
Ko te reo